Comfort Suites Mountain Mile Area. Mountain magic meets southern charm at our Pigeon Forge Hotel. Nestled in the heart of the Smokies, the Comfort Suites Mountain Mile area is the perfect jumping-off point for you to explore all the region has to offer. Our central location on Teaster Lane in Pigeon Forge puts you close to Dollywood's Splash Country, the island, and many other popular attractions. Shoppers will relish our proximity to the area's dozens of factory outlet malls. And nature seekers will love being a short drive from the waterfalls and wildlife of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. If you're traveling for a convention or other event, our location is also convenient to the LeConte Center. Our goal is to provide you with a great start to the day and a great night's rest. That's why we offer a free Southern-style hot breakfast daily, plus classic amenities and cozy accommodations throughout our hotel. After a day of shopping, fishing, hiking, or sightseeing, retreat to your spacious guest room for some much-deserved R&R. ComfortSuitesPigeonForge.com